Yes, students. Now, assignment number 1, second question. Classify the following into element, compound and mixture. Here are some substance given. You have to classify it into element, compound and mixture. Okay. So, elements, then compounds, then mixture. So, first one, sodium. So, sodium comes under element. Why? Because sodium is made up of only one kind of atoms. Only sodium atoms. So, it comes under element. What is element? Element is pure substance made up of only one kind of atoms. So, sodium made up of only sodium atoms. So, it will come under element. Next, soil. In soil, many things are mixed in soil in any ratio. So, which will be element, compound or mixture? Soil is mixture. Next, sugar solution. What is in sugar solution? Sugar is dissolved in water. And what is sugar? What is sugar? C12, H22, O11. So this is a compound made up of three elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So this is a compound. Sugar is dissolved in water. And what is water? H2O. Again water is a compound. So here two compounds are mixed in any ratio. So what is it? It is mixture. But once the sugar is dissolved in water completely, the composition becomes same throughout. So what kind of mixture it is? Homogeneous mixture. So what is mixture? Mixture is made up of two or more element or compound mixed in any ratio. So sugar solution is made up of two compounds mixed in any ratio. So what is it? Mixture. So sugar solution will come under mixture. But what kind of mixture? Homogeneous mixture. Next, silver. Only made up of silver atoms. Only made up of one kind of atom. So what is silver? Element. Capital A, small g, Ag. Next, calcium carbonate. What is calcium carbonate formula? CaCO3. Made up of how many elements? Three elements. Calcium, carbon, oxygen. Combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So what is calcium carbonate? Compound. So what is compound? Compound is pure substance made up of two or more elements. Here it is made up of three elements. Combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So calcium carbonate is what? Compound. Next, tin. Capital S, small n, symbol. And tin is made up of only tin atoms. One kind of atom. So what is tin? Element. Next, coal. Coal will come under mixture because main element in coal is carbon, but some impurities are also there. So coal is what? Mixture. Koila. Okay. Next, air. What is present in air? Different gases are there mixed in any ratio. But the composition is same throughout. Different gases are there in the air. So what is air? Element, compound or mixture? It is a mixture. What kind of mixture? Homogeneous mixture. So air comes under mixture. Next, soap. The soap is made up of sodium hydroxide solution, then oil is there, then salt is added and some smelling agent is added. So it is made up of many compound it is made up of, mixed in any ratio. So soap comes under what? Mixture. Sodium hydroxide is a compound, oil is also a compound, salt is also a compound. So two or three compounds are there mixed in any ratio. So this soap is what? Mixture. Okay. Next, methane. Formula of methane is CH4. So it is made up of two elements, carbon, hydrogen, combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So what is methane? Compound. So students, so this you should know methane, what is formula. Then only you can classify it under element, compound or mixture. Okay. Next, carbon dioxide. What is formula? Carbon dioxide, CO2. This is made up of two elements, carbon, oxygen, combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So carbon dioxide comes under compound. Next, blood. In blood, what is present? Many components are there in blood. WBC is there, RBC is there, blood platelets are there. Many components are mixed in any ratio. So what is blood? Blood comes under mixture. Okay, so here we classified these elements into element, compound and mixture. So for this, to classify it under element, compound and mixture, students, you should know the concept of element, compound and mixture. So what is element? Element is pure substance made up of only one kind of atoms. And what is compound? Compound is made up of two or more elements combined together in fixed proportion by mass. And what is mixture? Mixture is made up of two or more element or compound mixed in any ratio. Okay. Now we'll discuss question 3.